probably more likely come early than late, don't they, on average?
It depends on
There's 1,000 babies born.
I would say that does make sense.
But the opposite applies for real estate. They rarely close early. So the natural ending to a great presentation is just asking them to buy. And, oh no, we're not ready with it. No problem. Hey, what do y'all want to think about? Is there anything I can help you with? No. It's just, we don't have to make it weird. I mean, like when I sit with people, I would say at the end of our 4 showings, the one that you like the best, I'm gonna ask you to buy it. Now, hopefully you will, but if you don't, if you're not ready, if you need questions, I mean, I just want to take the pressure off and say, like, I am here to close on you. That's my mindset. I am here to sell you a property. All right, make some calls. Get started here. Hey, Mr. LeMaster, it's Greg Sisson over at RE/MAX. How you doing today? Good. It's been a long time. I had something I wanted to invite you two and your wife, and maybe you could bring the grandchildren. I think they would have some fun. We are doing a movie night this Thursday. Are y'all in town? In the last few years, we've done it in June, where we rent out an entire theater over at Market Common, and we're going to be showing The Incredibles Part 2. And so we'll have the whole theater provide sodas and popcorn. And okay, thanks, Leroy. I will. You too. Bye bye. We're having our movie night where we rent out we got a theater at Market Common, and we'll have I can't remember how many people it holds, but we'll have a theater to ourselves and do the showing of Incredibles 2 the night before it actually releases to the public. It's a lot of fun. Last year we did Despicable Me 3. The year before that, I think it was Finding Dory. So it's a lot of fun. So we're super excited. It snuck up on us, but it's coming on Thursday night.
I just want to say I'm thankful for everybody here. You know, you guys have been really cool with all this, and thankful to Rob for teaching me the Matterport.
Yeah.
That was really cool, really interesting. So looking forward to that on Thursday.
Yeah.
We're very grateful.
Tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Or Wednesday?
And tomorrow.
Okay.
They got you too.
Wednesday and Thursday.
That's possible Friday. It's been a busy morning already.
It went well. It went well. It was a lot of fun. Got to meet some very nice people. First house was kind of hot, but that's how it is. Second house, it's very nice. I think it went under contract 1 day or 2 days after took the pictures, so pretty good. Yeah, Matterport's definitely the future. Regular images, you know, we get screenshots from them, but the 360, people being able to walk through the house, that's something that's extremely unique, and I feel like looking at a simple image now is not as cool as being able to actually walk through the house on a computer. You want to go to the next level, get a VR headset. You can actually feel like you're walking through. Put in like journals every week to our teacher, and hopefully getting a good grade on that. But no, it's a lot of fun. You know, this is something that's a lot of fun. I'm in my element. I'm on a computer. You know, which is it's going good. It's a lot of fun.
Looking good.
Yeah, so I'll just, I think this week we'll get to dig the ground up, which will be crazy. And I'm actually going to take that tree out Thursday.
So take a dive. You already got like a little bit, you got it started.
Yeah.
So
I know.
take it
We'll
good.
be definitely taking some sand and leveling out the lot. Look at all that water. I have learned a lot about pools lately. Actually, probably more than I wanted to know. So I learned about fiberglass, I learned about concrete and all the fancy names for concrete pools, all the coping, all the different things that you can put around the pools, but I'm excited. So now we have Garcia Pools getting ready to do our home pool, and it's just been fun to learn so much about it. We've actually spray painted our yard so we know where the pavers are going to go, and we know where the hot tub's going to go. So I like it when I learn something new, and I've been flipping through learning my paver colors and options, so we're good to go on that. Okay, so for our coping, which I didn't know what that was until recently, but that is the surrounding paver around the pool, the actual pool. We're going to go with a travertine selection, and it will be in the gray tone. Maybe Marina, that might be good. We want the gray color. And then we are going with an Old Town look. So I think there's 3 different sizes of the pavers, so I like it. I've never had a pool before, so that will be a first. So that's exciting. So, but other things that are very exciting, I get very pumped up about our client events because, I mean, there's what's not to like. They're warm and fuzzy, but we have a movie night every year. This is our 3rd annual, and we try to pick the summer blockbuster for families. And this year we have Mr. Incredible, actually Incredibles 2. And we hope that we're gonna have some characters there to visit with our clients that night. That should be really fun. So we're getting our RSVPs in right now, and it's just a great way to say thank you and see some faces that we haven't seen in a few months. So it'll be really fun.
Weather that kind of messed things up, and we had some very nice, incredible people outside taking photos, and we have some very incredible people right here. Y'all give it up for them all.
We're thrilled to have everyone. Before I forget, I want to acknowledge Long and Millsaps, Scott Long, who is a dear friend of ours, who does a lot of our closings. Scott Long provided the popcorn and Coke, or whatever we're serving. So let's give him a hand. So we're not going to take much time, but I just want to thank you. If you're here, you're a big part of our success at RE/MAX. So I thank you for your referrals, your business, your business in the past, business in the future, hopefully. So enjoy the show. Let's do it.